Attention dear parents and students seeking exam success. Are you looking to boost your exam performance and conquer academic challenges? Discover proven strategies to ace exams, manage time wisely, and maximize study effectiveness. Be a part of this transformation event. Your academic success is our mission. Our expert speakers will empower you with tools and techniques for exam triumph.
Is your child find it very difficult to memorize big answer? Is your child become panic during exam period? Is your child not able to manage time properly? Is your child not able to attempt all question in the exam? Is your child facing any of this problem in his life? Please don't worry. Hi, I am Sandeep Singh, Kids Lifestyle Transformation Coach and founder of Kids Lifestyle Hub. I am on mission of transforming lives of 10 million kids through my sincere and focused coaching to inculcate great moral values, increased self-awareness, improved decision-making skills, and enhanced emotional intelligence through spirituality among the kids. I have spent around 2000 hours in researching about the kids related problems and have come up with optimized and concise solution to resolve these problems. I would like to invite you in my upcoming webinar where I will be talking about the tips and techniques to overcome about the kids related problems. So please do join my webinar and please download my Android app Kids Lifestyle Hub and explore the free courses available there. So thank you so much for hearing me. See you in the webinar. Bye for now.
Save the date and register now at school.kidslifestylehub.com or Kids Lifestyle Hub Android app. Don't miss out on exam excellence.